is pepper, rich in tropical rainforest spices, salted, and of course this is pork. And all of this is going to be part of the menu here, and it's quite interesting. I want it to be very spicy. It should have a cultural touch as well as a global feel. Everybody across the world can eat this. It's going to smell good, it's going to taste good, healthy, and it's absolutely organic. I hope you enjoy the result. Thanks for watching. I'm Arrey. And here is meat that's coming up. It's been boiled, spiced as well, tropical rainforest spices. And the menu here is going to have some beef, some pork, and of course, ripe plantains. This is interesting. This is country onions. It's called kerok in my dialect. It's been added veritable spice known to treat even some coronary diseases when combined with other spices and plants of the tropical rainforested areas of Cameroon, Central African Republic, West Africa, Congo Basin, and so on. Very interesting spice. I just added tomato paste and the sauce. It's interesting. It's coming up. There's items for this. Some carrots, some green beans, some green spices. Wow. The food is going to be damn healthy. So, the sauce is ready. This is sauce I want to cook that's going to accompany the pork. And it's quite interesting. Got some green beans, got some green pepper. So, that's red pepper here. It's got some other green spices as well. Because it's white pepper here. Yes, residue from pork that was boiled. It's been used here in the making of the spice that will accompany the pork. So, I don't need much because it's going to be a dry sauce. Peppery, very peppery. So, the sauce that is going to accompany the pork, almost there. It's going to be dry, spicy, tasty. Actually, the aroma here is bewitching, and I hope you're able to have customized food packages from us and commission us to actually grace your ceremonies and events with the kind of food we have here. You can see that the pork is coming up. It's nice. It's lean, not too fatty, and it's definitely going to taste very well. I hope you commission us to cook for you, and so that you can explore African culinary arts, spicy, tropical rainforest spices, and so on. Very healthy and medicinal. So you can see the food is ready, and we are at the stage of mounting of the food so that it actually looks good for consumption. So, in a jiffy, it will be mounted, fully displayed. I hope you love it. So you see food that's meant for consumption within the backdrop at the Ed Complex Guesthouse in Isokolo, Cameroon is very African. And I hope you like the way it is packaged and that you would come again to eat and enjoy African culinary wonders. Arrey Mbongaya. Thanks for watching.